Oh, for measurements. Yeah, well, I don't think perfection is what we're after here, Ed.
It's all about taste, baby.
Yep. Nutrition and taste.
What this will stick to your ribs, or your coat, or your pants if you drop it.
It kind of looks like a stack of pancakes.
Yeah, I had my culinary training at International House of Waffles. It's all about.
Isn't that an International House of Pancakes?
Maybe. Probably. I'll do what the politicians say. Oh, I misspoke. I didn't lie.
You know where a girl with that's missing a leg works? Yeah, she works at IHOP, Red.
Oh, I thought you were going to say.
Oh, I have nothing else in mind.
Oh, okay.
No, IHOP.
Good one, Mike.
That's when somebody says good one, or that's funny. It's not that funny.
I'm laughing on the inside.
They don't think it's funny when they say that's funny.
It's like everybody thinks they have a sense of humor, but most people don't have a sense of humor.
I know a few guys that are just so uptight that they never belly laugh. You ever know anybody like that?
Yeah. They're just.
Anybody I know?
I can't think of a name right off.
I know one guy I worked with, and he'd go like that, like Woody Woodpecker, but you could tell he wasn't really amused. I never seen him really laugh.
I think some people are self-conscious of their laugh.
That could be.
I'm certain of it. Did you ever hear anybody laughing in the crowd and you'll turn around and think, who in the hell is that?
Probably. I can't imagine what you're going to do with the olives.
Make fancy little leaf-looking things.
Okay. So this is not only about taste and nutrition. It's about art.
It's about getting my galactic on.
You're right.
My galactic, my creativeness.
My mother used to make like a 2-decker red cake.
Oh, velvet, red velvet.
Yeah. It looked kind of the reddish kind of grossed me out, but it was good.
Sometimes the fake coloring, you can actually taste it. But
Oh, is that why those cakes were red? Fake coloring?
I would assume. Didn't your mom have a whole little set of bottles of different colors?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then probably had the different color sugars for making like Christmas cookies.
Well, that's got to be 3-4 inches high, Red.
Yeah. We're probably pushing 4. We might squeeze 5 out if we use all this cheese.
Hey, if there's any cheese left over, you want to have a cheese fight?
If there's one big hunk and I get to throw it with no return.
That's like Larry and Daryl. One of them, Bob Newhart had to stay over because he got in a fight with his wife. And one of them yells out, "Lard fight," right before they're going to turn out the lights. Go to bed. They all get out this. They each had their own can of lard ready. And Bob put a stop to it, though.
I really like Newhart.
Yeah, he's genius, in my opinion.
I like how he would do the phone calls. It was like he was actually talking to someone. Back when they used to have comedy albums, and you listen to them on your phonograph. That's vinyl.
What year do you think it was the last vinyl album you bought?
It's probably sometime in the. Well, we were a member of one of those record clubs, so I think we were still getting records in the 90s.
I would guess mine was early 90s. I think I bought a Helen Reddy album.
That's why the "Who Sang I Am Woman" question come up.
I don't know why I was thinking of her today. She's dead. She's passed.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, all the people who were doing rock and roll when we were younger, they were 10 or 15 years older than we were.
Yeah. One that's still going strong is Alice Cooper. He looks really good.
I've seen him somewhere. What's his name? Vincent something.
Oh, that could be. I think it is. And then somebody like Elton John, he was pretty young when he got big. Cause like Rocket Man, that was like when I was in 9th grade, and he's only like 5 years older than us. Now, is there a limit how tall you should get them, Red? I mean,
I've never tried over one package.
okay.
And this one's taller than the last one because got that thick cheese in the middle. It doesn't work against me.
But at some point it's going to tip on you if you go too tall.
We could have a challenge show and see who could build the tallest bologna cake. We might have to bust it out. We'll call this the heart stopper.
So now he's starting to do the sides. Like if you're like a cement mason, you'd have a real advantage here.
Yeah.
I should probably get on the other side here.
Here, I'll try it.
This you don't learn this overnight. Oh, now he's doing it with his left hand.
Maybe that's how come I was having a hard time. I'm left-handed.
Look at that technique there. Oh. So that's gonna add some strength.